Have you ever wondered how people in the past made sense of their dreams? The gift of kings in dream interpretation, تحفة الملوك في التعبير, is one of the earliest Arabic texts on this topic, and one of the most remarkable. Written more than 1,000 years ago by Khalaf ibn Ahmad, a 10th century ruler of Sijistan. The book offers a rare perspective. It is the only dream manual we know of that was written by a political leader. Most books of dream interpretation were written by scholars or religious thinkers. But this one reflects how a ruler, someone in power, understood the meaning of dreams. Now, for the first time, this extraordinary work has been published in a scholarly edition, edited by myself, Bilal Orfali, and Lina Al-Jamal. It is based on a careful study of 5 different manuscripts and includes in-depth introduction that places the text in its historical, cultural, and literary context. The book interprets hundreds of dream symbols, but also does much more. Through these interpretations, it reveals how people in the 10th century Islamic world saw the world around them. It shows their ideas about gender roles, social status, morality, race, religion, and more. It even gives us a glimpse of daily life, from clothing to furniture to tools, food and urban spaces. It's not just a dream book. It's a historical document full of insight. Because it was never printed before, never published, the gift of kings remained hidden for centuries, known only to a few specialists, scholars. This edition brings it to life, making it available to readers, researchers, and anyone interested in Islamic culture, literature, or history. It is a book about dreams, yes, but also about people, power, imagination, and meaning. Thank you.